walk away. Don't leave a mess behind and run away. Clean up the clutter you have caused. We pack, we go is a must to tidy up the mess after you play. We pack, we go is the new trend. You should repeat it to your friend. We pack, we go is the trend. You should repeat it with your friend. We pack, we go is the new trend. When you're ready to leave and walk away, there's a rule you should always obey. Rule number 1 for having fun and truly pleasing everyone is cleaning up the mess after you play. We pack, we go is the new trend. You should repeat it to your friend. We pack, we go is the trend. You should repeat it with your friend. We pack, we go is the new trend. You should remember what we say. We pack, we go is the perfect way to make your parents proud and glad, because you know it's very bad to leave a messy space after you play. We pack, we go is the new trend. You should repeat it to your friend. We pack, we go is the trend. You should repeat it with your friend. We pack, we go is the new trend.